Have you ever found yourself staring into your fridge late at night, wondering if eating before bed is a bad idea? Maybe you've heard that eating before sleep kills weight loss efforts. But what if I told you it's not about when you eat, but what you eat? 5 foods that boost weight loss while you sleep. Hey everyone, we've all been there, feeling a little hungry before bed, debating whether to snack or suffer through the night. But what if I told you that eating the right foods before bed could actually help you burn fat while you sleep? It sounds too good to be true. Well, stick around because today I'm sharing the 5 best foods to eat before bed for maximum weight loss results. And trust me, number 3 will completely change how you think about nighttime eating. But before we start, hit that like button if you're ready to start making your nighttime routine work for you instead of against you. Here's the deal. Your body doesn't just shut down when you sleep. It's a prime time for recovery, repair, and fat burning. Your metabolism is still working. Your body is rebuilding muscle. And if you feed it right, you can wake up feeling lighter, leaner, and full of energy. So let's break down exactly what you should eat before bed to turn your sleep into a weight loss powerhouse. Number 1. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Our first food is Greek yogurt. And no, I'm not talking about the sugary fruit-filled kinds. Plain high-protein Greek yogurt is one of the best foods to eat before bed. Why? It's loaded with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles overnight, helping you build lean muscle while burning fat. Plus, Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, which improve gut health, a key factor in weight loss. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. It enhances the flavor, and cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings, so you won't wake up hungry in the middle of the night. 2. Cottage cheese, the secret fat-burning food. Okay, I know what some of you were thinking. Cottage cheese? Really? But hear me out. Cottage cheese is another casein-rich food that digests slowly and keeps you feeling full throughout the night. Even better, it contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which helps promote deeper, better quality sleep. And guess what? Better sleep equals faster metabolism. Want to make it taste better? Mix it with a teaspoon of almond butter for a creamy, satisfying, protein-packed nighttime treat. 3. Bananas, the natural fat burner. Alright, here's where things get interesting. You're missing out if you're avoiding bananas at night because of their carb content. Bananas are loaded with resistant starch, which actually helps your body burn fat instead of storing it. They also contain magnesium and potassium, which relax your muscles and improve sleep quality, meaning you wake up feeling refreshed, not sluggish. Pro tip: if you want to turn this into a weight loss powerhouse, slice a banana and dip it in peanut butter. The natural kind, no added sugars. The healthy fats in peanut butter help regulate hunger hormones, keeping your metabolism working while you sleep. 4. Almonds, the metabolism booster. Now, if you're the type who wants a simple snack before bed, listen up. Almonds are your best friend. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which help keep your metabolism running while you sleep. But the real secret? They contain melatonin, the sleep hormone. Eating almonds before bed boosts metabolism and helps you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. Just remember, portion control is key. Stick to a small handful, about 10 to 12 almonds, to get the benefits without overdoing the calories. 5. Chia seeds, the tiny but mighty fat burner. And finally, let's talk about one of the most underrated superfoods for weight loss: chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s, which help regulate blood sugar, curb late-night cravings, and boost metabolism. One of the best ways to eat chia seeds before bed? Make a simple chia pudding. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with half a cup of almond milk. Let it sit for a few minutes and boom, you've got a delicious, fat-burning nighttime snack. And there you have it, 5 powerful foods that can help you lose weight while sleeping. So let's do a quick recap. Greek yogurt, high protein, gut-friendly, keeps you full. Cottage cheese, slow digesting, promotes deep sleep. Bananas, boosts metabolism, helps burn fat. Almonds, packed with healthy fats and melatonin. Chia seeds, tiny but powerful, curbs cravings. If you're serious about getting real weight loss benefits, don't just focus on what you eat during the day. Pay attention to what you eat before bed. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite healthy bedtime snack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and share this with a friend who could use some nighttime weight loss tips. That said, thank you for watching. And if you don't want to miss out on more tips to help you burn fat and feel amazing, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.